Instagram. I just want to do a quick update for ThredUP. I am having a hard time getting labels. I actually lost one label that was mailed to me, and I reached out to customer service and they said they could not email me the label because since it was mailed to me, it wouldn't work out. And so I'm pretty much out that label, and I'm waiting probably 3 weeks at this point. So unfortunately my payouts aren't as high as they used to be because I can't get inventory in as I'm waiting on labels. I am considering opening up a second account with my other email. I have heard of other people doing this. Just want to show you, I'm going to go through one by one and show you something that was either given to me or something I sourced, just so you can see the, sorry, that was a notification, just so you could see the potential payouts. So I have never heard of this Linnea casual skirt. I don't know why I got it. I'm guessing it was donated to me. So if I can get $11 for it, that would be amazing. This Banana Republic, I always pick up Banana Republic. The payouts are pretty decent. I would be very happy with $76, and the brand sells decent for me. This Giddy Up Glamour vest was actually given to me. It felt pretty cheap, but if I can get almost $20 for it, that would be great. And Taylor Loft, I will always pick up. I'm actually surprised these weren't pulled for a goodie bag. This kit has been listed, I think, for two or 3 days. CJ Banks, I love the print of this blazer. I actually did pay for this. I think I paid $2, maybe $3 for it. These Calvin Klein pants, I was hoping I could ask $110, but since they're considered casual, not like slacks, or I don't know how they categorize, I could only ask $64. I've had another pair that I sent in a few weeks prior, and I could raise the price to like $110. So I'm not sure what the difference is. Maybe it was sizing. Casper jacket. I'm just kind of trying this out. I've sent one in before. They are more of like a mature formal jackets, I would say. But as you can see, you can ask $95. I will slowly lower these after 30 days if they're not getting any action. Here we have this Banana Republic blazer. I did buy this. It was half off, so I paid probably a couple dollars for it. This Verse blouse was actually new with tags from Stitch Fix. I paid $2.50 for it, or maybe it was $1.50. I'll have to look. And I was almost not going to buy it because it felt so cheap. But if I can get $35 for it, that's amazing. This Columbia vest was donated to me. If I can get $13, that's great. If not, I'm actually not going to lower the price on this because I can reclaim this and probably ask $25. I believe it is plus size. This UMG casual dress, I did buy this. I think it was new with tags. I paid $2. So the payout's only $9. If this doesn't sell at full price, I will reclaim it and just sell this one myself. This Cabby blazer is gorgeous. It's a lace, and I did pay, I think, $2 or $2.50 for it at a thrift store, so we'll see if I can get full price for that one. This unbranded t-shirt was given to me. Like I said, I almost didn't send it in, but $2.70. I almost kept it because it was very soft. But this Taylor Loft military peplum jacket is so cute. It's a size large. It could fit me. I'm hoping this sells. I will lower this because that is kind of high. I'm shocked I could raise the price to $104, but this Two Hearts long sleeve blouse, that one was given to me. Okay, look at the payout for this Romeo and Juliet Couture cardigan. I have heard from other sellers that Romeo and Juliet Couture, you can price really high. I'm not for sure how well it does sell, but check out this cardigan. I'm going to click on it so you guys can see how gorgeous that is. Like, look at that. Oh, I love it. Very pretty. Okay. Let's get back to where I was at. Where were we? Okay. And then we have just some plain Taylor Loft pants. I think they like had cheetah print on them or something. And then we have, okay, I've never sent in Lands' End before. But like I said, this is probably, like, I'm only like 2.5 months into ThredUP, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. Lands' End does retail for a decent amount, but resale value as far as selling it yourself on eBay or other platforms is pretty poor. This was just like a casual dress, and that would be great if you know, I could get $35 for a payout. I should have sold this Pursuits wool sweater myself. It was new with tags, dead stock, and it had the wool mark symbol on the tag, made in USA. And I believe that has a little bit higher value for people looking for that wool mark tag on it. So I should reclaim it and sell myself if it doesn't go for full price. I am shocked at this 90 degree by Reflex. I see it all the time at the thrift people. So if you, sorry, my baby's talking, but so if you see 90 degree Reflex like at the bins or, you know, for $1, you might want to consider picking it up. This is a sweatshirt and it was in like new condition. Somebody gave to me. This Topshop swimsuit was new with tags. I thrifted for $2. It is really cute, but again, it felt pretty cheap. It retailed originally for $52. This Ambiance apparel, just like some cheap boutique brand. Somebody gave that one to me. Same thing with this assorted brands vest. It is plus size, but it did feel pretty cheap. $9.12 payout, that'd be great. And like I said, these are reserved, so they can be in somebody's cart for up to 4 hours, which I believe changed last week. So people can't hoard your items in their carts for as long. And then these Judy blue jeans, I've never heard of the brand, but I think they're like plus size. They look super cute. They're distressed. They do, I mean, look at the price, $28.99. That is so cheap. I'm not going to lower the price, and I will just reclaim those if they don't sell and sell them myself. And I have sold this mini sweatshirt, got for 50 cents at a yard sale. So there you go. My potential earning is $722. Not the greatest. You know, I find like super cheap clothes, and a lot of the stuff that I did send in this time was donated to me. So